This is our last video on this channel, and here's why. In case you didn't know, we actually have two ConvertKit YouTube channels. The first one is just called ConvertKit, and historically it has been where we put our documentary films sharing the stories of some of the creators that we serve. This channel, the ConvertKit Creator Education channel, was started several years ago as a place to upload quick tutorials about how to use ConvertKit. And so the content and the production value were completely different, and so it made sense to have two separate channels. But in the last few months, we've started to see a shift. On the ConvertKit channel, we've begun to create more documentaries and case studies that are leaning into how these creators are earning a living online and how they're leveraging ConvertKit in their business. And on this channel, we've been making less videos that are here's how to send an email in ConvertKit, and more like here are 7 ways to grow your newsletter, or here are email monetization strategies that no one is talking about. Not to mention, we've been working to level up the production value of the videos that have been going on this channel as well. And on top of that, we kept finding ourselves in situations where we would have a video and we weren't exactly sure which channel it belonged on. We had this one case study video of how Jay Klaus grew his newsletter 7x in just 2 years. So it's this really high production case value of this star creator, but it's also super educational in nature. So we have decided to make things easier on ourselves. Moving forward, the original ConvertKit channel will be home to all of the videos that we create, and every video will have the goal of helping you as a creator earn a living online. Some videos will be these inspiring stories, some videos will be incredible advice from professional creators, and some videos will show you how to do things in ConvertKit that you didn't even know you could do. We're excited to have one place for you to find all of the video content that we create here on YouTube, and we actually recently posted that video about how Jay Klaus grew his newsletter 7x in just 2 years. You can click right there to go watch it. And while you are over there, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you over on the other channel.